Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of planes. Now here plane is regular hexagon. Let us read out the problem statement first. Draw the projections of regular hexagon of 25 mm side having one of its edges in HP and inclined at 60° to VP, and its surface is making an angle of 40° with HP. Okay, now what is given? Regular hexagon is having side 25 mm having one of its edges in HP. So it is resting on HP on one of its edge. So, okay, resting condition is given. Okay, so whenever plane is resting on HP, then next condition is what? Theta plane condition is given and phi edge condition is given. Okay, so let us focus first on resting condition. Okay, hexagonal plane having 25 mm side, it is resting on edge. So just make sure that edge is there on first projector. Okay, so how we get it? Okay, go for polygon. Number of sides will be 5. Enter polygon by edge. Okay, this is first point. Okay, for polygon number of sides will be 6. Enter polygon by edge. Okay, ortho mode should be on, and here you will be getting side is equal to how much? Side is 25. Enter. Okay, so when it is resting on edge, this should be the position of polygon. ठीक है, तो ये polygon क्या है? This polygon is basically hexagon, take it, resting on H. So top view will be hexagon, A, B, C, D, E, F. Side is equal to 25. I will have projectors here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now once we have projectors, then here point of intersection we have A dash comma B dash, then C dash comma F dash, and D dash comma E dash. Okay. So initially complete plane is there in HP. Take it. Okay. So this is resting condition. Now next thing is what? थीटा प्लेन कंडीशन क्या है? इट्स सरफेस इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 40° विद एचपी. तो सरफेस का एंगल कहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको? लाइन व्यू जहाँ पे वहां पे. सो इन फ्रंट यू विल बी गेटिंग सरफेस एंगल. ठीक है, तो हियर वी हैव लाइन व्यू. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल कॉपी दिस लाइन व्यू अलोंग विद इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पे पर्पसफुली हमने क्या किया है, वी हैव टू प्लेस पॉइंट्स लाइक दिस. ठीक है, एट इंटरसेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन पे ऑलरेडी पॉइंट्स हमने प्लेस किए हुए हैं. ठीक है, सो वी विल कॉपी दिस लाइन, वी विल प्लेस इट हियर. ठीक है, देन this line has to be rotated by what angle? By angle equal to 40°. ठीक है, along with points. ठीक है, so whenever you are rotating, just make sure that you are rotating line along with its points. ठीक है, so when we rotate line like this, so this will be your step. ठीक है, where it is resting on edge AB, you see, and surface is making an angle of 40°. ठीक है, so by projection you will have 3 vertical projectors, 1, 2, 3, and in top views you will have projectors 1, 2, 3 and 4. ठीक है, locate all the points. ठीक है, all the points are what? A, B, C, D, E, F, join in sequence. ठीक है, so you can see here plane is inclined. ठीक है, so top view of plane will be distorted. ठीक है, you see this is initial condition and this is second condition where shape is distorted when plane is inclined. ठीक है, now third step, phi edge. ठीक है, तो क्या बोला है? It is resting on one of its edges and inclined at 60° to VP. So that resting edge is inclined at 60°. तो resting edge कौन सा है? Resting edge is AB. So inclination of AB with VP is given. ठीक है, so right now this resting edge is making what angle? It is perpendicular. ठीक है, so finally this resting edge has to make angle of 60°. ठीक है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to rotate the object by what degree? So that AB angle of AB becomes 60 by 30°. ठीक है, so 30° in which direction? In clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction में भी rotate किया then also it's correct. ठीक है, because though you rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, after all angle of AB becomes 60°. So you can have multiple solutions. ठीक है, so here I have rotated in clockwise direction. Clockwise means negative minus 30°. I have rotated object, I have copied this object, I have placed it here, and I have rotated object by minus 30 so that angle of AB becomes 60°. Okay, now this is my step. Now I will draw projectors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all projectors here. 1, 2, 3, 3 projectors. Okay, locate all the points. You see point A, point A, then point B, likewise A, B, C, D, E, F, join those points in sequence, you can get the front view of object. ठीक है, where AB is resting on HP, then surface is making an angle of 40 degree and resting edge AB is making an angle of 60 degree. ठीक है, so here all conditions are satisfied by step number 3. ठीक है, so this is end of the solution. I hope you understood the problem. Thank you.